Before buying studio headphones, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, One Audio Pro 10, which really caught my eye with its affordable price tag of just $37.99. If you want solid sound quality without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These headphones are equipped with 50mm speaker drivers and neodymium magnets, delivering powerful bass, clear vocals, and crisp highs, which is crucial for mixing your tracks accurately. The soft potted ear cushions provide comfort for long sessions, and the adjustable headband ensures a perfect fit, so you can focus on your music without discomfort. Plus, the single-side monitoring feature is a game changer for DJs and mixers, letting you hear your tracks without removing the headphones. With over 9,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many users appreciate the balance of quality and affordability here. Now, some people complained about the wired-only design, which might be a deal breaker if you prefer wireless options. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using these for studio work, wired connectivity ensures you get the best sound quality without any potential Bluetooth lag. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for reliable studio headphones on a budget. Skip this one if you need wireless capabilities. For the price, it offers great value for money.
Product number 2, Audio-Technica ATH M20X, priced at $59. If you want something that's built for professional studio tracking and mixing, this one deserves your attention. These headphones feature 40mm drivers with rare earth magnets that enhance low-frequency performance, making them ideal for capturing the depth in your music. The circumarial design contours around your ears, providing excellent sound isolation, which is crucial when you're in a loud studio environment. The single-side cable exit is also a convenient touch, allowing for easy setup without tangles. With over 3,000 units sold recently, this model is gaining popularity for a reason. Some users have noted that the comfort level could be better during prolonged use, but honestly, for the price, it's not a deal breaker when you're considering the sound quality you're getting. This is perfect for you if you're serious about music production and need something reliable without spending a fortune. Skip this if you prioritize maximum comfort over sound quality, but for $59, it's a solid choice.
Product number 3, Sony MDR7506. Let's talk about the Sony MDR7506, a classic in the industry. While the price isn't listed here, it's popular and widely regarded as a go-to for professionals. If you want a well-reviewed headphone that delivers detailed sound, this is worth a look. These headphones utilize neodymium magnets and 40mm drivers to offer powerful sound. The closed ear design is fantastic for blocking out external noise, which means you can focus entirely on your mix. Plus, the long 9.8-foot cord is perfect for studio setups, and the foldable design makes it travel-friendly. No wonder over 3,000 have been snapped up recently. However, some people have mentioned that the cord isn't detachable, which can be frustrating if it gets damaged. But look, if you're using these in a controlled studio environment, that shouldn't be a huge concern. This is great for you if you want a professional-grade headphone with a reputation for quality. Skip this one if you need something portable and super versatile, but for studio use, it's a fantastic choice.
Product number 4, Audio-Technica ATH M50X, which has received rave reviews from audio engineers everywhere. If you're serious about your sound, you should definitely consider this one. These headphones come with 45mm large aperture drivers that provide exceptional clarity across an extended frequency range. You get deep, accurate bass response that's critical for mixing and mastering. The circumneural design ensures excellent sound isolation, which is essential when you're working in a studio. Plus, the detachable cable gives you flexibility, and the 90-degree swiveling ear cups are perfect for one-ear monitoring. With over 2,000 units sold recently, it's clear that these headphones are a favorite among professionals. Now, some users find them a bit bulky for everyday wear, which could be uncomfortable during long sessions. But honestly, if you're focused on sound quality, that's a trade-off many are willing to make. This is perfect for you if you're an audio professional looking for critically acclaimed performance. Skip this if you want something lightweight for casual listening, but for serious work, these are a top-tier option. Product number 5, Audio-Technica ATH40X. We have the Audio-Technica ATH40X priced at $109. If you're looking for something that strikes a balance between features and price, this is definitely worth a look. With 40mm drivers and a robust build, these headphones deliver impressive sound quality. The circumaural design provides excellent isolation in noisy environments, making them great for studio work. The 90-degree swiveling ear cups allow for easy one-ear monitoring, which is a must for any mixing engineer. Plus, professional-grade earpods enhance comfort during long sessions. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear they're making an impact in the market. Some users have pointed out that they may not sound as rich as the higher-end models, but here's the thing. For the price, you're still getting a solid headphone with great features. This is perfect for you if you want quality without going all out on your budget. Skip this one if you need the absolute best sound fidelity, but for $109, it's a smart choice.
So, to recap, we've covered the One Audio Pro 10 for budget-conscious buyers, the Audio-Technica AT-H M20X for professional tracking, the Sony MDR7506 for industry reliability, the Audio-Technica AT-H M50X for top-tier performance, and the Audio-Technica AT-H M40X for a balanced option. Each has its strengths, so think about what you value most in your studio headphones before making a choice.